was set at the Creekside Beach Luxury Hotel, where Italian Consul and Mrs. Fabrizio Bielli welcomed the karachiites on the occasion of the Festa Della Republica. Addressing the ladies and gentlemen in the audience, he highlighted the important aspects of a strong and friendly cooperation between Italy and Pakistan, particularly in the economic domain.
I am aware that the relations between Italy and Pakistan date back several decades, and we must together start from this common heritage to develop other aspects. I hope that the beautiful day for Italy, also here we are celebrating, in some way can be a lesson for many other peoples and brothers in the world. What all of us can do together. Let us make this world a better place with our conscious efforts and mindfulness to promote peace, harmony, and prosperity for all. From the very first moment I began my mandate as a Consul of Italy in this great and special country, the economy, the commercial collaboration that I consider real lifeblood, because these elements, I do hope all of you will agree, make living conditions better, fluid and dynamic. With Italy, my country, I hope that this will happen in the light of the always excellent political and economic relation between our countries, through new private collaboration between companies and not only between public and government bodies. The door of my office are always open to constructive and positive proposals.
He also told about the signing of MOU between Emirates Airlines and the diplomatic post in the port city to augment the commercial activities. National anthems of two countries were played. Winners of the Versace lucky draw were announced. To make the event a special, Consulate of Italy invited Chef Vincenzo De Liso from Naples, who displayed his culinary innovation and creativity on the occasion. Talking exclusively to News Pakistan TV, Chef Vincenzo De Liso said,
"Nice interview that we have last year, and I'm here always with the Italian Consulate. Well, I think that I find always the same people, very nice and welcome to me as usual. And yes, as any time is a big challenge, okay? But finally everything was good and we could finally make a very nice food and organize everything in time. Well, this year we have something different because the consul suggested me to do some particular plates, something also from Rome, and yes. Well, we are using this year we have a pizza station outside to make the proper pizza. This is the news from this year, and I hope everybody will enjoy.